What does $920,000 look like in North Phoenix, Arizona? We're going to find out. Hi, my name is Nicole Black, the Living in Scottsdale channel, and I am your Arizona Realtor. Today, we're going to tour the Ann model by David Weekley Homes in the Noterra community. This model is about 3,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, and 2 stories. Let's go take a look. What do you think? Is this the home for you? Please call, text, or email, or whatever your preferred communication is. I'll get back to you and answer any questions that you have. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to click that like button below and subscribe for more videos of luxury home tours, Scottsdale living, market updates, and communities. I hope you're having a great day, evening, night, or wherever you may be. And remember, I'm always here for you.